Hey guys, Smelling Roses here. Thank you so much for checking out my video, and welcome to Madison County, Kentucky. It's late October 2023, and I'm hiking the Pinnacles of Berea, located on property owned by Berea College. Awesome views and interesting rock formations are what you'll find here. Avoid the overcrowded and overrated Red River Gorge and come here, where in 2019, Outside Magazine rated the best hike in Kentucky. Pushed for time, I'm doing a short hike up to Indian Fort Lookout and Devil's Kitchen. Shout out to my friend Robert, Bluegrass Bushcraft, for telling me about this place. Come along, let's go check it out.